Today, we are discussing about the recurring entries in SAP FICO. What is use of the recurring entry? Recurring entry used for post transaction in periodically. Like there are the rent, insurance, subscription, lease payment, etc. Automatically without manually entering every month. Why? Why? Because, for example, rent, there is a customer and vendor agreement. Rent amount is rent amount is around rent amount is around 50,000 per month. Means this rent amount doesn't change always. Okay. So that's why SAP given one option is recurring entry. We need to implement that rent amount. We need to pay every month 50,000. Okay. So that purpose SAP given the recurring entry option. So you can see example company pays office rent 50,000 per month to ABC Properties. Rent paid every month from April 2025 to 2026. Okay. Like what is the general entry rent expenses to vendor account? This thing we can implement into SAP system and you can see how to do. Just I will go and I will do it. Create recurring entry. How will we create? We will create with ABD1. So just I will open the server. Created with FBT1. The code is FBT1. We will record the recurring entry here. Company code is TCS and agreement with customer and vendor is 1/4/2025 to 31st/3/2026. Like every month I need to pay that 50,000 rent to customer vendor. So for month we need to take and run date is every month first day I will make the payment. What is the payment? 50,000 amount I will make. Next currency is INR, local currency. And this is a general entry posting, right? There is a document type is AR, like we are making payment to vendor. That's why I'm taking the AR document type. Reference is recurring payment, recurring pay. Okay, just I will give. After that, I will record rent expenses. There is a GL account is rent expenses. This is a GL account I have created. And you can see here run date every day, every month, first day it will run. Okay, it will post that recurring amount. Just enter, click on enter. What is amount? 50,000. I will make payment to vendor. Who is a vendor? Vendor always is a creditor here. Why? Because like he given that house to rent. So that's why he is coming to credit. So there is a vendor. This is a vendor code. Just enter. I will make 50,000. This is amount I will make payment to vendor. Just click on save. He has created one document number. Document was stored in company code TCS. Means it was created just a recurring document, but doesn't post it to financial document. So now you want to change this recurring document. How will you do? You have T code FBD2. Just click on enter. You will see this is a recurring entry posting. You want to change amount, you can change here. You want to update assignment and text, you can update it. The change option. And there is one more T code is FBD3. This T code level, you will see the recurring amount display. Okay. This is a recurring amount display. Now it was created like every month I need to pay 50,000 to vendor. Just it was created. But I need to post the financial document for April month, May month, June, July, like that. That is a purpose SAP given. One option is F-14. Here, what I will do, create posting document from recurring document. What is our recurring document I created? This is my document number and fiscal year 2025. What is the document type? General document type. Here and posting, I am posting to general, right? So I need to make payment to vendor. But here I am giving the document type SA. Otherwise, I will give blank. I will put as a document date. Today I posted. Now, customer and vendor agreement is 12 months period. Every month is 50,000. Just I will take 1 for 2025 to 31st to 3 2026 and Indian financial year. And after that, I will give one run triple three. Triple three T is session name. Okay. Click on execute. What I will do, I will execute. It will create the one session for recurring document. Click on execute. Session triple T was created. What I will do, go to system menu bar, services, batch input, click on sessions. There is one option is triple T. Here you have to select this one, go to process option, click on process and it will go for April month payment 1 for 2025. Click on enter, click on enter, just enter. Here processing of batch input session was completed. Once session was completed, what will you do? Go to in process and go to log option, check triple three. Here session was created. What is the document number it was created? This was created with 4. Where I will check in financial FB03, I will give this document number. I will say rent expenses to Tata Power vendor. So this was booked with recurring. So when interviewer they will ask the question, when I will create the recurring document, will it post to financial? Are there any impact in financial accounting? No impact in financial accounting. Just you created that rent recurring document like memo record. After that, you executed that recurring document for financial transaction posting. So F-14 just execute, it will create this session. After that, you need to go SMP, FSM35 and check there is the triple three like whatever you create as a session, just execute. It will create the financial document, then it will create the impact of that financial entry. So currently you can see I run for April month. Next, if I run F-14 again, it will post the May month. So like that, you need to post recurring entries. So now they may ask the question like, what is use of that 01? Like when I will create a BD1, it is showing you the intervals in the month. For month, I will give and run date. I will give as a 01. Means it is posting every month first day. If I give 31st, it will post April 31st, first month. Okay, like that. So this way you need to follow for recurring entries posting in SAP FICO. Okay.